So like I says right now I'm short selling M&M in the market level. So around 1309 I'll short sell now, and let's see how the stock will perform. So guys, welcome to today's live intraday trading. So we are short selling M&M now. So short sold around 1309 as you guys can see, and the market is trading around 17,914. Yes, you can see there is a quick recovery in the market. So the market was trading around 17,100 in the last couple of days, almost a week back, and now it's almost touching 18,000. So yes, almost 1,000 points has been recovered in nifty 50. It is a good momentum right now. So most of the stocks are bullish and most of the stocks are hit resistance level and are coming down now. Okay, so M&M was not showing much of a bullish kind of a movement after the first 5 minutes is completed, so that's why I have taken a short sell entry in M&M right now. So let's see how the stock will perform. If at all the stock has gone above 1315, then I would have considered it as a buy, but once it started to come below 1308, so that's why I've short sold it. Okay, and before that, if you need to do stock market trading, if you're having losses and want to recover your losses and want to learn how to make consistent profit in intraday trading, you can join my courses today. In my course I'll teach you the simple skill to make consistent profit. No complicated things, no indicators. It's a one-time payment. You get lifetime support. To provide NSE and MCX trading course, the course prices are very less and reasonably priced. You can check all of the details in my blogspot, that is tradingzero.blogspot.in. The link is in the description below of this video. So many of the people has got into my trading program and now they are making money consistently, and even the people who had losses are now starting to recover their losses. You can watch all of these things with the earning proof here with the ledgers, and if you guys are interested and motivated to make consistent profit like this, you can join us today. Okay, so once you join us, you will be getting lifetime support and live market guidance also. I'll be teaching you guys personally how you can make consistent profit in intraday trading. Okay, so if you guys wish to stop your losses from today and want to learn how to make consistent profit like this, you can message me now on the WhatsApp number displayed on the screen to get in touch with me and to take the course and learn how you guys can make consistent profit from today. And also, these are the advantages and benefits what you get once you join us. So once you join us, you will be able to earn consistently in trading. I'll be teaching you 95% accuracy unique and secret strategies with no indicators, and also I'll be teaching you a very good timing and discipline what is needed. Just by spending only 15 to 30 minutes per day, you can make 10% profit on your capital. Okay, that is, you can earn 1000 rupees per day with the investment of just 10,000 only. And also I'll be guiding you with a very good money management system and a risk trading system. And also, as you guys know, my course prices are very less and reasonably priced. So guys, yes, now back to trading. As you guys can see, the stock has made a low of 1307.6, and still it is near the low level. So now we can see here it has given a low of 1305. So yes, we can expect some of a quick movement to happen as the stock price is above 1000 rupees. So we can easily expect like 5 to 6 points movement to happen. Okay, so plan to take like 5 to 6 points and exit. Okay, as the market is bit of a bullish side, it can reverse anytime by taking support. So before the stock takes the support, I shall just take my exit by booking like 5 to 6 points, which will be fine for this stock. Okay, so as of now you can see it's trading almost near to 1304 now. Okay, so once it touches like 1301 or 1302, I can take my exit. So until that, you can see my live trade. And also, if you guys wish to get the live market guidance and live market update from me, that means that live trade what I take will get the same update. So you can message me on the WhatsApp number displayed on the screen and get in touch with me, and I'll be guiding you in the live market personally. Also, you will get the same trades what I take. So you can see it's almost trying to make a new low, almost 1303. So let's wait for it. Okay. So guys, yes, as you guys saw, it did make a low of 1302 and I took my exit. So this was the profit what I was able to book today in the today's trade of M&M. So if you guys wish to earn consistent profit like this in intraday trading, you can join us today. You can go into my channel and watch all the videos. So every day I upload like how much profit I made in intraday trading, so you can watch all of this performance, and you can also see my client screenshot of profit in my blog, which I've given in the link in the description below of this video. And if you guys are motivated to make consistent profit from today, and if you guys wish to learn the good techniques to make consistent profit from today, you can join us now. You can message me on the WhatsApp number displayed on the screen. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. Have a good day. I'll see you in the next one very soon.